My name is Phil Anderson. I live in Pocatello, retired from the Idaho National Laboratory about 18 years ago. I continued to jog quite a bit through my 60s and very early 70s. My knees started to hurt. Uh, I was referred to an orthopedic surgeon who took x-rays, examined it, and bone on bone was the terminology I heard, and that I could either have some injections that would alleviate the pain temporarily. There was replacement surgery, which is most common, and I know it is effective, even though the recovery process could be miserable. At my age, I wanted to avoid surgery, and my orthopedic surgeon did say, well, regenerative technology also is a possibility. So I did some searching on the internet, attended a couple of seminars on stem cells, and even though I was largely skeptical, especially since my medical insurance coverage absolutely wouldn't touch it, but after meeting with Dr. Wurick, I was confident enough that I thought I should try it. The injections were absolutely painless, and within a day, I have not since had any pain in my knees. Not just only a little bit, but gone. Now, 3 months later, I'm functioning essentially normal, and compared to where I was, I'm feeling so well that I really don't want to push it, take a chance. I just want to keep it this way, but I am entirely satisfied, pleasantly surprised, and no complaints whatsoever. Thank you for the opportunity to share.